Apparently, I was trending HGTV before HGTV was even cool. As I looked through a recent HGTV article about kitchen storage and organization hacks, I realized I already had many of them. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to show you some HGTV hacks for kitchen storage and organization, and then show you mine. HGTV will be on the left and my hacks on the right. So let's start off with number 10. Wouldn't we all love to have pull-out pantry storage like this HGTV kitchen? But I've got the next best thing. I asked my contractor neighbor to make me a pull-out pantry, but I was thinking of something like the tall, narrow pull-out you see in the HGTV picture. He told me that for my pantry space, which was a pretty deep, dark closet with shelves, that framing for the vertical pull-out would take too much space, leaving me with less storage space. So he came up with the idea of 3 vertical drawers, with each drawer having 2 shelves and extending all the way out. And I love it. I can see and reach everything. Countdown to number 9. Are you still having to get down on your knees to get that pot you need on the bottom shelf of a lower cabinet? Cabinet storage drawers are relatively easy to do. During my last home remodeling project, my contractor removed the shelves and replaced them with pull-out drawers. Game changer. Countdown number 8. The pull-out drawer for baking essentials on the HGTV side is something I've had for years now. The lower cabinet beside my range is a pull-out with dividers. I store my baking sheets, cutting boards, pizza pans, and cooling racks there. Number 7. Do you have a narrow cabinet that's basically unusable? This HGTV option of a pull-out organizer for cleaning supplies is a great idea. And probably the most exciting upgrade for my kitchen was when I found this 2-shelf pull-out on Amazon, only 5 inches wide, but fits perfectly in my tiny cabinet between the dishwasher and range. I keep cooking oils and sprays there. Countdown number 6. So, where do you put your kitchen trash can? Having mine in my island, like this HGTV one, makes it accessible but hidden. Now we're down to number 5. Do you have one of those utensil drawers where everything's so packed in there that you can't find what you're looking for? I still have a few, but I'm going to declutter them and reorganize them with tray dividers, like this bamboo organizers that I have for my silverware. So far, I have 2 drawers that are organized that way. My next project is to do that for all my kitchen drawers. Countdown number 4. If you're a coffee drinker, you know how much time it can save you to have everything in the same basic space. My coffee station isn't hidden, but everything you need is together. I don't drink coffee, but my husband has his Keurig, which is sitting on a matching drawer containing the K-cups. A mug tree holds his favorite cups. There's also a perpetual calendar that he reads daily. It's probably been there for over 20 years and it looks a little dog-eared. But every day he keeps reading the funny quotes to me like I've never even heard them before. Countdown to number 3. This cookbook shelving at the end of an island was not a new idea to me. I've had my cookbook shelving accessible on one side of a lower end cabinet for years. I actually cleaned it up a little to take this picture, but that just means that I use it a lot. Countdown to number 2. These 2 pictures are both mine, the Home Economics Reimagined pictures, but I wanted to share them with you. The first picture is the other side of the cookbook shelving. I had my contractor neighbor detach the cabinet from the wall and put it on casters so I could move it around wherever I needed it. The storage side you see here stays hidden, pushed up against the refrigerator. And my china cabinet offers a lot of extra storage for my kitchen. I drew the blueprints for my house many years ago, and I designed this china cabinet to be the wall between the kitchen and dining room. It opens to both the kitchen and the dining room so I can get the contents from either side. And now count down to number 1 kitchen hack. This hack was not in the HGTV article I read, but I wanted to show it to you because it's such a valuable hack. If you have a corner cabinet with dead space you can't access, you'll see why this is so valuable. The pull-out unit allows me to access everything in this deep corner cabinet easily. I pull out the first set of shelves and pull it over to the right. Then I can pull out the second set of shelves from the back corner and get to everything there. It's a little pricey, but it's so valuable for accessing that space. So, those are her hacks that compare to HGTV kitchen storage and organization hacks. But I'm not finished yet. When I finish my kitchen projects, I'll be back to share them with you soon. But if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. So much more to come.